Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving my hair some TLC with this DIY mask. So I'm just using an egg, some extra virgin olive oil, and some mayo. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in this container and mix them up. That's the consistency of it. So yeah. Alright, so right here I'm taking off my satin bonnet, and as you can see, that's a big no-no. So I sprayed my hair with water and detangled it and put it in 4 sections, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and work the mask into my hair. As you can see, spraying my hair with water and detangling it beforehand really came in handy. As you can see, the mask is just gliding through my hair. That is just the first section. I'm just gonna twist it up and get it out the way and move on to the other sections. And I'm just pretty much doing the same thing throughout my entire head. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that, and then I'll come back if I have anything else to say. By the way, this mask, it's not the best smelling thing ever, but trust me, it really works, and it really gets your hair hydrated and all that good stuff. But it smells nasty, and you have to be really careful, because once I was done with this mask, I had that stuff all over my bathroom floor, all over the back of my shirt, all over the sink. But you know, just go ahead and clean up after yourself once you're done, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, right now I'm on the last section, and I'm just doing the same thing. Then I'm gonna take my hair out and put the rest of the mask that I have left throughout the rest of my hair. And can we just say that these curls, girl, they are popping. Yes. Listen, if you just feel like your hair needs some TLC, try this. It's just 3 simple products that you need, and well, not products, items that you need, and you're good to go. Look at the shine, look at the definition. I'm telling you, this will bring your hair back to life. Alright, so this is me after I rinsed it out with cold water. Please make sure that you wash it out with cold water. Otherwise, you will have scrambled eggs on your head. I'm telling you. Make sure that you remember, if you try this or any mask that you use with eggs in it, to wash it out with cold water. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. I did my hair, and this is how it came out. These are the results. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.